because they are celebrating their charity fundraising milestones with $100 million raised since its inception in 2005. Remember, December, the month of giving. Do give as much as you can. And at the TSX, the Venture Exchange, new listing ceremony. A number of companies recently listed on the venture. We're going to be speaking with one of them, Diamond Estate Wines and Spirits. That's in about 15 minutes or so. The markets are now open. It's time for your First 15.
The First 15 is brought to you by iShares by BlackRock.
And good morning and welcome to Business Day and the First 15. I'm Francis Sorodelsky. I was just going to look at Sears Holdings. The stock's been on a roll actually this year, up 54%. The one here in Canada, Sears Canada, has been really strong as well. Now we're going to take a look at their Sears Canada. It's been on a roll too, as this company has been reducing its footprint in the country and also, of course, distributing some of that cash to its shareholders. There's Sears Holdings. Short position on Sears Holdings remains 1/3 of the outstanding float. So those shorts getting squeezed. Let's take a look at how Toronto is starting the trading day. A little bit to the upside in the first very few moments of trading. We have the price of gold. The near future, actually February 2015 is down, but all the gold numbers are higher. Let's see how that's translating into materials. That is one of the big weights and the worst performing sectors so far in 2013, and only a month to catch up. Energy to the downside. The price of oil actually a little higher by 55 cents this morning. Financials, it's going to be a huge week for bank stocks next week. I believe we kick things off with the Bank of Montreal on Tuesday. Suncor, CP, both in the news. As the CFO from Suncor going over to CP, both stocks are higher this morning. And I will remind you that CN Rail should be trading split. It's not. I was under the impression CNR split is effective. It's payable today. Trading split on Monday. But there's CP Rail and Suncor. Let's take a look at Saputo, how it is reacting to the news that the regulator in Australia has terminated or delayed its ability to take up any stock under its current offer. The stock's a little higher this morning. New York markets, they were closed, of course, yesterday. The global markets were higher, and there is how we are starting the trading day with all of them in new high ground. The big kickoff for shopping, of course, is happening right day in the United States. Here are some of the representative companies in the U.S. Interestingly, Sharon Martis was saying that she was most impressed in the malls for GameStop. There it is, up 40 cents. That stock's been under pressure here. They're all to the upside. Of course, the real proof of this kickoff day and the holiday season will come sometime in February, when you actually see the profit margins from what they are doing over the next 4 weeks or so. A couple of stocks that we're watching this morning, Andrew McCreath drew to my attention. This company, Atrium Innovations, to the upside. The offer on the table is at $24 a share. Trading just a stick above it. They make cosmetics. Oh, they're in the cosmetics, pharmaceutical, chemical, and nutrition businesses. I think Andy Bell is digging into that story. He's